Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by plugging the Asus into AC power and confirming a stable Wi-Fi connection so the firmware and large files download without interruption. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Windows Update. This centralizes system and driver patches. Click Check for updates to fetch feature, security, and optional driver updates. Make sure to note any listed restarts or optional driver packs so you control timing and avoid losing work. After Windows fetches updates, install required patches first and reboot when prompted to preserve the update sequence. Skipping reboots can block later packages. Once core updates are in place, check optional updates and install Asus-specific drivers from the Asus support page if Windows Update lacks them. These often include audio, chipset, and Intel/AMD GPU fixes. If a new driver causes instability, use Device Manager to roll back that device or choose Update Driver. You finish by running Check for updates again, restarting to apply remaining patches, and verifying the laptop boots, charges, and performs normally. If updates fail, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Note any error codes shown in Settings to guide next steps. If the system won't boot or has major performance drops, boot into safe mode or use system, restore to revert to a working point, and then reinstall problematic drivers or firmware carefully to prevent reoccurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.